Nike's Shox BB4, created by Eric Avar, rose to global fame after Vince Carter's legendary dunk of death over 7 feet 2 inches Frederic Weis at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. Debuting with the Shox R4, the BB4 showcased an innovative cushioning system that changed sneaker design and quickly became iconic. Though not officially a signature shoe, Carter's explosive athleticism made him its defining figure, much like Pippen and Duncan with their classics. Nike later honored his Hall of Fame induction with a special edition, further solidifying its legacy. Now, as the BB4 hits its 25th anniversary in 2025, anticipation grows for its most celebrated return. The Olympic White and Midnight Navy Metallic Silver colorway will re-release on June 1, 2026, priced at $180, following the style of the 2019 retro, keeping alive a sneaker moment etched in basketball and sneaker history.